So here I have my primary colored fish from last week's lesson. Today I'm going to add in a background and we are only going to use the secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. So first we start drawing with a pencil. So I have my background references. I'm going to look at these, or you can make things up from your own imagination or from looking at items around your house. So I like to start with drawing in a ground line. This might go behind another fish. And then draw some other things on there. Remember to erase lines that go through other objects. Now that I have my objects drawn in my background, I'm going to trace them with my markers. Remember, I am only using the secondary colors, so it might be a good idea to pull those secondary colors out first. Orange, purple, and green. So I have two different kinds of greens here. I'm going to put the other ones away. Orange, purple, green, in case I need skinny markers. All right, so I think I want my seaweed green. I like to use the thicker markers for this type of technique because it lays a lot of color down onto the paper. And I'm just going to go and add some details. Now I have all my objects drawn using secondary colors in my background, greens, oranges, and purples. I am going to add some water with my paintbrush, so I have to be careful around the edges that I don't go off into the background. So I get some water, glide off the excess water, and I like to start at the top and work my way down so I don't rest my hand on wet paper or paint. Careful around the edges, and when your your brush feels like it ran out of water, then or runs out of water, you add more water. Okay, when you switch colors, you should get the dirty color off of your brush and get clean water to start the next object. If I would paint this area, the water might run into there, so I'm going to work somewhere else and let that area dry for a little bit. So there I have completed painting all of my objects in my background. So I hope you had fun.